Top 5 Most Jealous Dog Breeds. 1. Chihuahua. Protective of their owners, can get jealous of other pets and people. 2. French Bulldog. Craves attention, often jealous if not the center of it. 3. German Shepherd. Loyal and protective, can be possessive of their family. 4. Cocker. Spaniel. Needs constant attention, jealous when ignored. 5. Border Collie. Highly intelligent and sensitive, can get jealous of other pets or activities. Watch out for these breeds if you don't want a jealous pup.